Hey guys. It let go. My feet let go, but if I hold it enough, it can go like. It goes around and around.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And let go.
Some bangles, round 2.
I did it again, but sideways.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, we just
Look. Tornado! Mommy, I made the tornado again.
So the one that loses, put it here because I want you guys to pick from the last 8.
Oh, okay, so this one last. This one. So after this one, then we do it.
Just put those one that win there.
You're going to put your ball
Yeah, okay. Yeah, after you've gotten your winner. Oh yeah, come on.
Okay. 2, 3. Oh. So there's an odd number. I think the scorpion one is that.
Put it here.
Oh yeah, I didn't forget to.
Cut this one. Okay, now, yeah.
This one, I think. Okay.
Almost there.
So there's 1, 2, 3.
4th place.
Yay!
I think this one. Okay, there. So now it's the
3rd place.
semi-finals round 3. Yeah, semi-finals round 3.
Tickle. I mean, it tickles. When you do this, it tickles.
Small one. This one.
It tickles, right?
Tickles a bit.
Yeah, it does.
3, 2, 1,
3rd place is the brown one. Oh my god.
Mama.
Okay,
I think you
these
could
two
put the
finals
card in
now.
here.
We're going to look for the winner, Baba.
Okay, you could put the card in here.
George, I think you should watch. 3, 2,
No,
1.
no, no.
I think it was this one that won.
Yeah, wait, bring it first. Let's try again. I'll hold 1.
Wait, 3, 2, 1, go.
No, I was slow. Do it again. I was slow.
Something. Hey guys,
3,
look.
2,
Wait, after you see that.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
I think the yellow
Postman
wins.
Pat is hiding
Yeah.
something.
Yellow ones.
It's hiding in a car.
Look, the yellow one wins.
Wait, what?
Oh, Mr. Pat took another car.
1, 2,
Oh yeah,
3,
George.
4,
I
5,
say George.
7,
Victor,
8. Yes.
you pick that one. Oh yeah, George, pick one.
Yeah, I picked the winners.
Yeah, you deserve it.
Yeah, this one.
Oh yeah, Victor,
Oh.
pick the next. Sit down,
Okay.
sit down. Victor, pick the next.
Okay, I picked this one.
George, pick yours.
Yellow versus Pat. This versus yellow.
Okay.
This one.
Oh yeah, Victor, pick.
I'm going to pick this one.
George, pick.
First, this one.
Yeah, Victor, pick. Oh yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to move this.
I have 2 good cars.
Leave this one.
Put it down, Vic George. Bring that box.
What's one? Oh, that one.
Then pour this inside.
Why?
Okay. I want to keep that one and this one.
Pour all those ones inside first.
All the ones that we don't need.
Yeah, move it to the door.
Maybe I can use my car to do it. Are you strong car? No, he's weak car.
Yeah, but most of the winners.
But your mommy, there's so much heavy cars there,
Yeah,
right?
it can't move.
So maybe if you had someone more. Okay, no. This one's first. So
Okay.
put that one here.
Hey George, you're not listening. Wait, no, George, you
Push,
need to do it in pace.
Mr. Man, push to the door.
Okay, so I'm gonna say best for last.
What?
I'm gonna say.
Can you move? Okay, I can't come, Mama. Can you move this?
You can go around, huh? Or you can go on the bed and then go on.
Yeah, this is a good way. Come on. And I'll also plus this one. Plus this one.
Hey, what? But that means that, Mommy. It's not let you have that one, the remote control one.
No, it's not using that one.
Yeah, feed it.
I'm still added this one. I'm adding the remote control one to my office.
No, that's not fair. What's up, Mommy?
Let's take another one. I'm just joking.
Okay.
So
that one away then.
No, I just want to.
What is wrong with you?
Mommy, you said George's going to have that.
He's not using that one.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, bring all your cards here.
Okay.
I got them.
Put as you want them to go.
Okay, so what do you mean in order?
Yeah.
So which order? Would be right to left or left to right?
It doesn't matter. You put first to fourth.
Okay, so so which way we'll go? Just go that way. Which we don't know. So first one, I think the first.
I don't have enough space. Thank you.
Okay, got mine. So
your first one. Where's your first one?
I got my first one here.
Put it by in order. Put your first one.
This is my first one.
I'm coming.
So I'm gonna see how far we can shoot it
So is that your first one?
Yeah, this is my first one. This is
Second one.
Third one, fourth one.
And you are playing for Victor. You are playing for
Mommy.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh yeah, back to George. Yeah.
Who are you playing for?
No one.
What?
Put your cards in order. No, put them in order and tell me which one is first.
First.
Mm-hmm.
Second.
Yeah.
Third.
Yeah.
The fourth.
Good.
Last.
All right. So now.
So which way will it be? This way to there or this way to there?
It's here to there.
Oh,
that's why I put the slippers there so that it doesn't hit the wall.
Okay.
So I think I have to go to that side.
Yeah. So
what are you basically doing? Are we gonna like that?
Yeah.
Stop. Mine will do his edge. So who reaches the furthest?
Yeah, we want to see. It's a race.
No, I think it's all the way to the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
First, so that's why you have to
Who's the fastest?
put it by the starting point.
Well, where's the starting point? Here.
Yeah, by the tip.
So here.
No, because it might not start if you.
So.
Yeah. So on the count of 3.
Okay.
1.
1, 2, 3.
Wow! What? Oh, he won!
Yeah, first.
Ah.
Oh yeah.
What next?
I didn't know how that was such a horrible launch.
Ready?
On the count of 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. No.
What's out?
You went before I finished, Victor.
Oh, so he wins again?
No, you start again.
Oh,
I'm moving my window for because I think this car's faster.
yeah. So.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Go.
Wow!
What?
Wait.
Did he win?
You said he won, but he was doing like he did it way faster.
Put your ears to mommy. I might say go after 1. I might just say go. I might say go after 2. I might say go after 3. So whoever wins, wins. But don't go before I say go.
Okay.
1, go.
Yes, I won.
I think Victor got
Yeah.
the first.
Okay, so where do you put it if you wins?
Put it at the back.
Okay.
No, the one that wins stays in the front. Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is the loser and this is the winner.
Yeah.
No, this is the loser, last winner.
Yeah.
Okay.
So no, this winner.
So you put them. If anyone wins, you put it close to the one that the winning line. Go.
Yes, I won again.
I choose the wrong cards, okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, I had a selection of cards.
Yeah, put it close to the glue.
Because I wasn't watching.
It was all race cards. That's what I chose.
I guess I choose the wrong cards.
1, 2. Nah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, I had a grip. The grip. Stop.
I'm not looking. Oh, stay there. Don't go before you hear go. 1. Tommy, let me see your car. Move your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go!
Yes! I won
Who
again.
won?
I think it was me.
Did you see that, George? I think
Yeah,
it
mine was like
Victor.
that and then it went there.
I think it was Victor. You want to try again? But I think it was Victor though. Oh yeah, where's the last one?
No,
Yeah,
you had
it's just 4. Oh yeah. Tommy, this is your best, George. So which one is your best, Victor?
Wait, where do you
Which one you want to do the last race?
This one.
Oh yeah, bring it out. Oh yeah, George. Remove your hand. Let me see your cards. I want to see them very.
That is
Remove your
seven.
hand. I want to see your cards very.
Okay.
Mommy, maybe next time we can try again.
Yeah.
Okay, so waiting.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that's it.
No, I might say go anytime.
No! Make it actually how the
So make this one traditional, please.
No.
Traditional.
I want to see.
Traditional.
I want
I'll see it. That's what she gets. That's what you get, Mama. That's what you get for not making traditional.
Oh yeah, hold your car. 1, ready?
Yeah.
2, go.
Yes! I won again.
That car wins.
You
Oh,
mean
is it
mine?
very fast? Oh yeah, George, you hold this time. Let's see. That car wins though.
Okay.
Let's see if it is the person or the car. If it is George or is the car. Right.
What if it's me?
1, go.
Yes!
I think
It
it's.
was definitely me that.
Hunter.
Yeah.
What? Just how you don't have to hold it so hard.
Yeah, one more time. Or maybe I hold Victor.
No! No!
Go.
No, that's unfair! No! We do! Again! Let's do that last bit again! Because I want fair! No, Mummy, I want fair and square.
I won.
No, you didn't.
Oh yeah. Are you okay? Yeah, it's sharp. Be careful. So where's George's? So according
Ready,
to wait. According to the lightness of the car.
It's not the lightest, I think.
Okay, lightest. Put it in
I
the.
think so.
Put it in the.
I'm not sure.
Yeah. Okay. Do as lightest. The heaviest, the last. The lightest, the first.
Okay, sir.
I'm not sure. Don't know how to know for something.
Where are yours, Victor?
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Let me see.
I think I know. I think you do this a close shot.
Let me
I
see.
think it's this one.
Let me see. This is the lightest.
Done.
It's more squishy.
Oh yeah, this is. Then this one. This one is light, but I don't know.
Let me, I did mine. So this one's the heaviest. This
Okay.
one's the second heaviest.
Okay.
This one's second lightest. This one is the lightest.
This is the lightest.
Okay. So is it like
I'm
this?
not sure.
So basically, it's like this for
Oh
me.
yeah, put them here.
So it's there. And that one. Then actually, I think this one feel a bit lighter. When I just
Okay, and put your first at the starting.
Do you mean my light? Do you mean my heavy?
George,
one?
stop. Your heaviest at the starting.
Like what? Wait,
So-
are we gonna raise them? Or?
You have to push as hard as you can.
Okay.
Doesn't matter how late we go. If you say go and he goes faster, that'll matter.
It's the cars that will really determine.
Okay.
The weight, the speed as you go is one that will determine how they push forward.
But what if it misses?
Remove your hands, guys.
What if it misses though?
And then you lose them.
Dad, look, you saw the cars. You saw them. They're done.
Wait, I want to see how George put his own. And that's for Victor.
I'm gonna do it.
That's Victor.
I know what I'm gonna do.
And that's George. Okay, now at the count of tradition.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Whee! George wins.
Yeah, but mine was way. Yeah, it looks like mine were way heavier. Way heavier.
All of them.
Yeah.
No. Oh yeah, redo it again. George, how do you want them to stay again? How do you want them to place? Anyway, George wins though. You still want to try
You mean the whole thing?
this round?
Oh, okay.
But this is first. So together, wait. In the same place.
Okay, let's see if that.
This one is very light, so any slightest push,
I think that's what happened.
It's going forward.
Because you should have chosen the light one. I did choose.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. I never said go. Even though you win.
I won.
They might didn't even touch the finish line.
I did.
George goes first.
Oh, again. Okay.
I never said go.